In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make calendar in Google Docs 2025 step by step. Open your browser and head to Google Docs. Once you're on the homepage, start a blank document. This gives us a clean canvas to build a simple printable calendar that you can customize for any month of the year. At the top of the page, type the name of the month you want to create. This will be your title, so keep it short and clear, like January 2025. Press enter a couple of times to leave space below for the calendar grid. Now go to insert in the top menu, choose table, and select a 7x6 layout. 7 columns represent the days of the week, and 6 rows give enough room for weeks that spill over at the start or end of the month. In the first row of the table, type the days of the week across the columns: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Don't worry about styling yet, we'll make it look great in a moment. Next, start numbering the days. Find the correct starting day for the first of the month, then type 1 in that cell, and continue numbering across and down the grid. Some months end at 30 and others at 31, and February is shorter, so simply leave any unused cells empty at the end. With the structure in place, you can begin customizing your calendar. Adjust the table to fit your page by dragging the borders so each day box feels spacious enough to write in. If you like, align the numbers to the top left of each cell to leave room for notes underneath. Return to your month title and make it stand out. Highlight the text and increase the font size so it's clearly visible at a glance. Centering the title can also help the page look balanced. To make the days of the week row easier to scan, highlight that entire top row, then look to the top toolbar for the background or fill color option. Click it and choose a color that provides good contrast with your text, something light enough to read over, but distinct enough to separate the header from the dates below. You can tweak text color as needed to keep everything clear. That's it. You've set up the month title, created a 7x6 grid, labeled the days from Sunday through Saturday, filled in the dates, and customized the look with font adjustments and header color. Save your document, and you're ready to use your calendar for planning, school schedules, or team timelines.